I'm David Coulthard, and I'm going to take you on a lap of the Red Bull Ring in Austria.
Dario, ready? Yes, sir.
Let's dive in. Off the start, it's a quick climb into turn 1, a 90-degree right-hander. The cars continue uphill to the highest point of the track. Turn 3, a very tight right-hander, and a good overtaking opportunity before the back straight. Heading downhill now, DRS zone, very fast, up to 330 kilometers an hour. Hard braking into turn 4, with another chance to overtake. Through a fast right-hander, then it's downhill for a series of left-hand corners. Super fast climb, right-handed through turn 8. Take the crest through the trees, then down into turn 9. Using all the curves on the exit. Final corner to finish the quickest lap on the calendar. This was DC with a lap on the Red Bull Ring in Austria.